I'm Dr. Ryan Hatch, owner of Hatch Chiropractic and Wellness. Just going to take you on a little virtual tour today and show you what the office is all about. We can start here. We've got a lot of different products that we use, a lot of things that patients love and oftentimes have a hard time going without. We also do a fair amount of blood testing for nutritional deficiencies. We do that through SpectraCell. It's a great product, gives us an idea of the baseline of where you're at on all your vitamins and minerals and even the fatty acids. As we kind of move along here, this is where Diane and my assistant both sit. We do a lot of other nutritional supplements, including fish oils, prenatal packs, HCG for weight loss, you name it. As we come over here, we've got a little play area for the kids. Oftentimes we'll turn on a movie for them as well. As mom or dad's being adjusted, it's great for them just to be able to play a little bit, put on a little bit of Lion King or something here. As we come back this way, this is the roller room here. These are just kind of massaging tables. Patients will oftentimes get on these before their adjustments for 5 or 10 minutes. Gets the back ready to adjust, lets them kind of relax. We have the lights just kind of nice and dim in here. Patients really enjoy this. Oftentimes they're a little disappointed to see me when I come to get them off the roller table for their adjustment. And then continuing on to our other room over here, this is our Chinese acupuncture room. This is where I perform acupuncture. Patients lay down, either face down or face up here. We also do a little bit of decompression for disc herniations or disc bulges, and we use that contraption there. This is a little heat lamp. We oftentimes put that down on the feet. It heats up the feet. It's very important in Chinese medicine. We also do all of our vitals. We do some electroacupuncture, take blood pressure, do height and weight and everything else in this room. Okay, moving on to our sports therapy rehab area here. This is our physiotherapy equipment. And this does ultrasound, laser, and electrical stimulation or interferential current. It's very good for that tight back or very tight neck that's difficult to adjust, or that extremity that's been sprained, an ankle or a knee. It's an outstanding machine. Either you can lay down here or you can sit down at the same time as well. We also put a heat pack on there. A lot of patients will come in, they'll relax for 10 or 15 minutes on this machine with some heat before their adjustment so that we can get a little bit better of an adjustment. So it's a little bit of extra stuff that we can do to kind of facilitate a better adjustment. Okay, moving on to our rehab physical therapy area. Most patients receive a customized rehab program just for postural imbalances and muscular weaknesses. I'll go ahead and print them out a program, and my assistant then goes over the whole program with them here. We get them any TheraBands or exercise balls that they might need at home. This here is the traction unit. This is very good for the tight neck or the neck that's lost its curvature. The curvature in the neck is very important. Many scientists call that the curve of life. And so a patient would hang from it, as you'd see here, and it encourages that good cervical curvature. Okay, and then over here we've got this is our Pedibond kind of rehab chair here. It's very good for people who have pelvic misalignments or pelvic pain. It's a good little warm-up to do oftentimes before an adjustment. A patient will come in and just run through a whole program, gets the pelvis ready to adjust. From there, we move back into my room. And this is where I do all of my adjusting and consults and exams and everything in here. This is a great little table. It has the pelvic and cervical drops on it. I also use a fair amount of the impulse adjusting gun. This is good for patients who have a hard time with manual adjustments. I can go ahead and find out exactly where the misalignment is and adjust it using a very non-invasive adjustment. If we move on from this room and come straight back to the massage room here, this is our massage therapy room, our licensed massage therapist practices here. She does a great deal of extra things, including some fire cupping, which is very prevalent in Chinese medicine. She even does some facelifting type techniques. And she also does a great deal of therapeutic Swedish massage. It's nice to have her right here on the premise to where a patient can get in right away for a massage, either before or after an adjustment. Okay, thank you for coming on the tour with us today. As you can see, we do a lot more than just adjust. We look at the patient from all aspects using a lot of extra modalities, including the laser, the ultrasound, the rehab program, and acupuncture as an adjunct. We go to great lengths to make sure that patients get the care that they need. And we make sure that we take the time with them that they need. I know it can be overwhelming to select a doctor of chiropractic, and I hope that this puts you at ease. I hope to see you soon. Give us a call today, 303-841-7121. Thank you.